Once upon a time, in the shadows of a forgotten attic, there lies an ancient mirror, hidden away from the world, shrouded in mystery and fear. This is not an ordinary mirror. It has been untouched for years, waiting for someone to uncover its secrets. The curious young woman enters the attic, her footsteps echoing. She is drawn to the covered mirror. The woman hesitates, then slowly pulls off the cloth, revealing the mirror. The room darkens slightly as the mirror is unveiled. The woman's reflection in the mirror starts to move independently, slowly distorting into a sinister version of herself. The woman stumbles back, but the reflection remains in the mirror, grinning wickedly. The woman tries to run, but the attic twists and turns, trapping her. Its twisted reflection stepped into the world, leaving her trapped in a nightmare. And so the cycle continues. One soul trapped within, as the mirror finds its next victim. In the silence of the attic, the mirror waits for you. Please like, share, and subscribe to